Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up large video libraries with OneDrive Files On-Demand step by step clearly. Open your OneDrive application on your computer. Ensure you are signed in to your Microsoft account. Check that you have the latest version of OneDrive installed. Locate the folder containing your large video library. Right-click on the folder. Select Always Keep on this device to download videos for offline access. Wait for the files to sync fully to your device. For on-demand access, right-click again on the folder. Choose Free Up Space to save storage on your local drive. Confirm the action when prompted. Open your OneDrive web interface in your preferred browser. Check if all files and folders are visible online. If any videos are missing, ensure they match the source files. Back in the OneDrive app, navigate to Settings. Select the Settings tab from the menu. Ensure that Files on Demand is enabled in the settings. If it is not enabled, check the box next to Save Space and download files as you use them. Close the Settings window. To recheck your video library, go back to the folder in OneDrive. Verify that all videos are listed and accessible. Access a video file to ensure it streams correctly. If you need to backup, simply drag and drop additional video files into the library folder. Wait for the upload to complete for each additional file. Regularly check your OneDrive for any sync issues or notifications. Your large video library is now backed up and accessible with OneDrive Files on Demand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.